Hi friends, every tip I'm about to share with you comes directly from the technicians who work in this appliance repair shop, one of the most well-known in the city. So don't worry, because we're going to find the solution here. When a customer comes in with this code, they almost always say something like, the washer overfilled and just stayed there showing the OF error. That's when we explain that this error basically means there's too much water inside the machine and it stops itself to prevent overflow or more serious damage. Now, something we hear all the time is customers saying, I left it filling and it never stopped, or even water kept coming in even after I turned it off. This matches exactly what we see in the shop, and in simple terms, it means something is failing in the water fill control system. That's why the first thing we check in the shop is the water inlet valve, because many times it gets stuck and doesn't close like it should. One expert told us, I shut off the water supply and that's when it finally stopped filling, which immediately confirms that the valve is faulty and needs cleaning or replacement. Then if we see the valve is working properly, we move straight to the water level sensor because it can also send incorrect signals. As one of our technicians says, if the sensor doesn't read the level correctly, the washer thinks it needs more water and goes past the limit. This type of issue is pretty common when there's dirt buildup or wear. On top of that, we also check the small hoses and sensor connections, since if they're clogged or loose, the system receives incorrect readings. In fact, some technicians have told us, I cleaned a small hose and the error disappeared, which shows that sometimes the problem is simpler than it looks. On the other hand, in less common cases, the issue can come from the control board, which manages the entire process. It's not the most common cause, but it does happen in units that have been in use for years or have experienced voltage spikes. As we always say in the shop, before replacing the board, check the basics, because that's often where the solution is.